Kohler 3775507S 10-circuit manual transfer switch kit for portable generators. When the power goes out, plug your portable generator into the power inlet box, start the generator and flip the switch. No individual extension cords. The pre-wired transfer switch and detachable power inlet box makes for easy wiring to existing structure. Professional installation recommended. Item package dimensions: 25.0 liters x 5.0 watts x 19.0 inches. Item package weight: 25.0 pounds. A manual transfer switch connects to your home's circuit panel, so you can use your Kohler portable generator for home backup power. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.